Hello students, welcome to my channel. This is Sunil Naik. In this video, I will start 7th chapter of class 8 NCERT, cubes and cube roots. Let us see what is the first question. Which of the following numbers are not perfect cubes? So they have given here 5 questions. Okay students, in that which of these following are not a perfect cubes, that we have to find out. Perfect cube means that should be in the form of the triplet. Let us say the prime factors of these numbers. So first question is 216. So first let us do this the prime factors of 216. Okay. So the number is given, so we can start with 2. So take here 2. 2 ones are 2. So 2 8s are 16. So we have to keep 0 and 2 8s are 16. Because directly we are taking two numbers, so I have to take 0. Now 2 5s are 10, 2 4s are 8. 2 2s are 4, 1 remaining, and 1 4, it becomes 14. 2 7s are 14. Now 27, it is not there in two tables, so we have to take 3. So 3 9s are 27, 3 3s are 9, and 3 1s are 3. So we have to write all these factors. 2 into 2 into 2 into 3 into 3 into 3. Now we can see that these numbers should be in the triplet. So they should be 3. The same number should be repeated how many times? 3 times. So 2 is repeated 3 times, okay, and 3 is also repeated 3 times. So we can say that 216 is a perfect cube. You can say that it is a perfect cube. So first one is perfect cube. So let's see what about the second question. So let's see here second question is 128. So we have to write 128 and we have to do this the prime factor method. So the last number is even number, so we can start with 2. 2 6 are 12, 2 4 are 8, 2 3 are 6, 2 2 are 4. 2 1s are 2, 2 6s are 12, 2 8s are 16, 2 4s are 8, 2 2s are 4, 2 1s are. Now we have to write all these factors here. One more time we can check here. 2 6s are 12 and 2 4s are 8. Okay. 2 3s are 6, 2 2s are 4, 2 16s are 32, 2 8s are 6, 2 4s are 8. 2 2s are 4, 2 1s are 2. Now all these 2 we have to write. 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 into 2. Okay, we have to count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So here we have to make a group of triplets, which is 3. Here also a group. But here 1 is extra, so it is not a perfect cube. Because here 1 2 is extra, so it is not a perfect cube. Second one is not a perfect cube. So let's see third question. So students, you can say here next question is 1000. So we have to write 1000 and we have to find the prime factors of these 1000. So 2 5s are 10, 0 0, 2 2s are 4, 2 5s are 10 and 0, 2 1s are 2, 2 2s are 4, 2 5s are 10. So is it possible from 2 again? It is not possible from 2. So for which number it is possible? Try with 3, 3 4s are, and it is not possible from the 3 also. So take 5, 5 2s are 10, 5 5s are 25, and then 5 5s are 25. here 2 500 is a 1000, and 250 is a 500, to 125 is a next 5 2 is a 10 here, and remaining 25 5 25 is a next 5 5 is a next one more we have to take 5 1s are. Now we have to write all this 5 and 3s, 2 into 2 into 2 into 5 into 5 into 5. So 2 is there 3 times and 5 is also there for 3 times. So is it a perfect square? Yes, it is a perfect square. Not a perfect square, it is a perfect cube. Sorry, perfect cube. Okay friends, you can see that first one is perfect cube, 216 was there. Second one is not a perfect cube because we have solved the second one, and third one is 1000. So it is a perfect cube because here triplets are there. Okay, if you multiply 2 5 is 10, 10 times 100, 100 times 1000. So it's a perfect cube. So let's go for the fourth question. So next question is 100. So take 100 and find the prime factors of this. Take 2 because here in unit place 0 is there. 2 5s are 10. Take 0. 2 2s are 4. 2 5s are 10. Now is it possible from the 2? It is not possible from the 2. So take directly 5. 5s are and 5 1s are. Now write this 2 into 2 into 5 into 5. Here there is no triplet, means it is not repeated, any numbers not repeated here 3 times. So it is not a perfect cube. It is not a perfect cube. Here first one is perfect cube, second one is not, third is also perfect, fourth is also not a perfect cube. So let's see the last one. The last is little bit big. If you find it that is question number 5, 46,656. Okay, last question is 46,656. Let's see that. 46,656. So start with 2. So the number is very big, so do it very carefully. 2 2s are 4, 2 3s are 6, 2 3s are 6, 2 2s are and 2 8s are. Okay. If you are confused, again you can do it slowly. Again take from 2 because 8 is there. 2 1s are. There also 2 1s are. 2 6s are. 2 6s are. 2 4s are. 8 to start with 2 again. 2 5s are 10. 2 8s are 16. 2 3s are 6. 2 2s are 4. Now again take with 2. 2 2s are 4. 2 9s are 2 2s are 4. 2 9s are 18. 2 1s are 2. 2 6s are 12. Again take 2. 2 1s are 2. 2 4s are 2 5s are 2 8s are. Again take 2. 2 7s are 14. 2 2s are 4, 2 9s are. Now, is it possible with 2? It is not possible with 2. So take 3. So I will continue here. 729. You can start with 3. Because in 3 table it is there. 3 2s are 6, 3 4s are 12, 3 3s are 9. 3 8s are 24 and 3 1s are 3. 3 2s are 3 7s are. 3 9s are, 3 3s are, 3 1s are. So we got here how many 2s are there? 1 2 3 4 5 6. So we have to write 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 into 2. So how to count how many are there, and how many 3s are there? They are also 6. 1 2 3 4 5 6. Now make a group of 3. So this is one group. Triplet is there. So 2 is also triplet, 3 is also triplet, and here also triplet. So 46,356 is a perfect cube. So it is a perfect cube. Okay, students. So in this first main, there were 5 questions. I have solved here all 5 questions. First one is perfect cube, second is not a perfect cube, third is perfect cube, fourth one is not a perfect cube, fifth is perfect cube. Already I told you the number should be repeated 3 times, then only it is said to be perfect cube, otherwise it is not a perfect cube. Students, I hope all of you understood this one. In this next video, I will explain question number 2 of exercise 7.1. Thank you.